Urban Anglers, first tournament of the year, here in May, with the homie Chacon. He was on my boat recently. I jumped on the old Sun Dolphin here. He let me come along for the ride today, and we're gonna try to get some fish for this tournament. It's a good fun cause here. Good peeps out here. Kirk, who does it, is a good dude too. So we're gonna have some fun. Got a little overcast morning to start. See how long that lasts, but let's try to catch some bass. Come on.
Listo.
Say our name. Let's go. Good luck. Oh, I got hit. I got one.
Okay.
Yep. Nice one. Yes, thanks, dude. Let's go. The Viking head. Look at that chunky chunk guy. Man, it's a chunky one. All right, get one measure. This little short, fat guy. All right, guys, first one. Probably freaking. All right. 2-2. All right, first one on board. A little crankbait action. Last year, this time of year, it was freaking grass everywhere, remember?
Yeah.
It was like crazy. I'm tempted to grab that swim bait again. It's like, I feel like the drop shot is good if you cast it around them and they're kind of just sitting there, they come look at it and they eat it, you know? But if they're really chasing bait, then obviously the little swimmer is so much better. Like it was this morning, obviously, on that fish I caught. Oh, I got hit. It's a good one. And he was just sitting. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Just a little guy. Let's see if he even measures. Let's see if he measures. He's gonna be 12. He might just barely measure. Oh, I don't think he's gonna make it, dude.
No?
I don't know if he's gonna make it. Oh, he's just gonna make it. Yep, 12 and a quarter. All right, guys. Number 2, finally. Took a little while. So this next fish, I'm casting up around the reeds. I get snagged, and I have the camera off because I'm going to get the snag out. And the second I pull it off a rock or whatever it's caught on, I get smoked by a big fish. So check it out. Yep. Got me all wrapped. I don't know where to. Yes! Let's go! Wait, I want to flip out. Here, put him in the boat, put him. That's just a shallow net. I think he. Let's go, baby. It's a 5 knots 4, huh? Yeah, it's about 5. Oh, look at the lip. Look at that guy. You might. Dude, that was nuts. I can't believe I caught him. I think it must have came loose, huh? And he hit it.
And you hit it.
Oh. Thanks for the net job, dude. That was crazy. Oh, dang, dude, that's a long one, bro. 21. All right. Holy crap. Okay. Let me give him some water real quick. Weigh him. Can't believe I got it on 6-pound test. Okay. Let's get a weight. Nope. Just another 4.5er. 4.3, guys. Woo. What a beauty, guys. What a freaking beauty, eh? All right, guys. 1-incher. Tournament. All right, little late morning update. Got 3. Right away, got that 2.5 pounder, 15-incher, and then grinded for a while. Got the little guy, fish number 2, and then got caught up in that rock or whatever over there. And once it came loose, bam, that fish took me for a ride. I wasn't even sure for a second if it was a fish, and then it wiggled a couple times and then jump. We're all like, oh, and Chacon got a nice net job on it. That was so huge. But light line too. I got lucky on that one, but I'll take it. 21-incher. That's my longest one of the year, but just 4.3 pounds. It's funny. This must be spawned out or whatever. But all right, we're gonna keep at it. Try to get a limit here.
That's like I hanging, but I feel bad because I didn't make that day.
Uh-huh.
I did that, my neighbor blocked me in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big leagues you.
Yes. Let's be 12, baby. Stop, stop, stop.
Shimmy.
Ooh, it's close, huh? $12.25, guys. Okay, guys, down to the last hour. Literally one decent fish away, though. I could take the lead like 18 inches away or something like that. I mean, still a good fish, but like a nice high 3-pounder as of now, because I got 4 fish. So yeah, so here we go. We're gonna keep grinding it out, try to get a limit. Yes, there's a good one. Yep. Watch your foot right here. There we go. There's a 2-something. Yeah, on the board. On the board. All right. Man. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Heck yeah. Woo. Yeah, let's go. 16-incher. It's a nice one. On the board. Oh, uh-oh. I got one. Yes. It's a good one, too.
I'm out of there. Come on. Put down, keep on there. The hell's not jumping? Catfish.
Yes! Limit! Thanks, dude. Yes! Oh, sweet. Just get me over. Yeah. 2. All right. There's my limit, guys. 12.5er to fill it out. Yep. Oh, that's a better one. Come on, baby. That should be an upgrade, huh? Oh, yeah. That's another 2.5 pounder. Maybe 15, 16-incher. Maybe, but maybe not. I don't know. Yo, right in the net.
No, the Lakers could do that.
I know, right? You know, Denver's solid, though. I gotta give it to Denver.
You got that hook. How perfect is
Look at that. The decoy, guys. That's the hook. Carlos told me to get this one, and it's been amazing ever since I did. I switched over from the Gamakatsu. Look at that thing, dude.
Yeah, right.
Beautiful. It should be a little upgrade. I think my smallest is like 12, right?
Yeah,
but
barely.
I think I got 13 and a quarter. Later. He ate it and swam towards us, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta remember this net's not as long as mine. Mine's like, whoa. Yes. I love it when you find a good little spot like this. Ooh, let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's fat. Oh my God!
Oh, it came
No!
off.
That was a 4-pounder, 5-pounder. Oh my gosh!
I quit fishing, and this is why I don't do tournaments, and then I'll take it back on there again. There you go.
That's not easy.
You're not leaving anything to chance, huh? Ready?
Oh yeah! Another little upgrade, I think. Thanks, dude. Get this guy sitting. Okay, little upgrade again, 14. Trying to splash us. Jeez, do it again. Oh, baby. Ah, no, it's a little dude. Little man. Man, they were over there though, weren't they? Dang. This guy, this is probably barely even 12. A little under. Alright guys, that's it. Got a limit, upgraded twice. I think it was 76 inches I got, but it was fun. We found some fish in a little school there at the end, upgraded. Carlos obviously lost a nice one. Oh, solid 4-pounder. But it was hard to get leverage on him in that spot we're at. But we caught a few. See how I do. See if I get that big fish for that one, the 21 incher.
David Mayorga, number 5. With 68 inches. In 4th place is Jeff. Jeff.
Wow. Hey. I'm even 30 seconds.
One out the money, but you do get this wonderful mystery.
Yeah. Hey, didn't you get it last time we were here? That's right, dude. I was gonna say. I put more this time. So there's a little swim bait in there.
Yeah, I've used some debates too.
Okay, cool. I actually loaded it up with a bunch of stuff, so.
Thanks for that, Mike.
No problem.
We'll go, before we get to 3rd place, we'll go big bass. And this was really close, but Mike pulled it out.
Oh. Had me in the reeds.
Yeah.
Wrapped up.
The next big bass was 19 and a half, and that would have been David. So
Mike, what was your total?
I think 76.
76 was his total.
Yeah.
So you might as well stay there, Mike, because you also got their
3rd. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Woo, take it. I'll do the double.
Yeah, I was gonna say do the double fisted thing.
Thanks.
And Mike, when I ordered the plaques for you, you can get one bigger plaque with both on there, or
yeah.
you can get 2 separate ones. It's
Okay.
up to you. Oh, I didn't ask you how you doing, Mike.
Just mostly drop shot. Yeah, mostly robo worm. One on the shimmy though, on the C3.
On the C3
Yeah.
shimmy?
When I was starting, I wanted to just limit. I was like, I gotta. So I sized down.
Yeah.
But I got 7 total,
Okay, nice.
or 8, 7 or 8, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, in 2nd place with 79 inches is Eric. Eric.
Yeah.
What a battle. Between 1st and 2nd, guys, was only a half an inch.
Ooh.
And at one point, they were a 1/4 inch apart. Dang. So in 1st place with 79 and a half inches is Adrian S.
You won last time too, right?
Yeah.
That's what I said. Yeah.
There you go, Ian.
It's cool, man.
Good job, dude.
Real quick too, I just wanted to say how I caught him. I was on the east side, on the right hand side. There was a shad spawn early in the morning.
Yeah.
I took advantage of that, and I lost even two fish in the morning, but I was still able to bounce back and get those fish from that shad spawn to go. And then I was catching them on the underspin and on crankbait.
Nice.
Yeah.
They were busting too before we could cast. We were watching them just go off. We're just like, ah.